So in a matter of 20 seconds, it's generated the full homepage sitemap with descriptions of each of these sections. I can move these around if I feel like I want the feature section to be in a different spot, or if I want the e-commerce to be in a different spot, testimonials to be lower down. And so AI's done a really good job here of generating the sitemap. It goes ahead and generates the wireframe for each of the pages in your sitemap using the elements in the sitemap component. And as you can see, it's done a really good job of doing this homepage. You can see this is like a proper wireframe, proper lo-fi design. You know, it looks good. Your client will be able to understand what's going on. I can add sections here. I can customize things right here if I want to change something. You can see the product list with the, with the pricing, call to actions, blog, testimonials on a carousel. We've got a CTA, FAQ, meet the team. This is really cool. Now, let's say you didn't really like this first example. You wanted something else. You could shuffle it and it's going to give you a whole new wireframe. And that's going to give you another unique layout.